Have you ever tried to wonder how people used to travel in the past? Many years ago, people did not have any means of transport. Together, let's try to understand the way of people's transport has changed and evolved from years to years. There was a man who lived in a mountain who loves to travel. He is fond of traveling and wanted to go around places, but unfortunately, the only transport they used to move from one place to another was to walk. On his way of traveling, he met a girl who also loves to travel across the world, and he fell in love. Together, they travel and walk for the desired destination. At some point, it took them hours before reaching their destination. Did you know, in the Stone Age era, our ancestors walked and ran upon the earth and swam and floated in rivers or seas? Their journey was long and tiring. One day, the man realized that they could use animals such as donkeys and horses as their way of transportation to go to far places. But as time passes by, the couple sees that animals got tired too. Later on, the couple found out an easier way to travel. They see a circular piece of wood moving by itself, and after several days of thinking, they invented the wheel. And as time goes by, we started to invent things that made our life easier. By 3500 BC, we developed wheeled charts and river boats to help us travel and transport easily. By 3100 BC, we tamed horses to help us to commute from one place to another. We had built chariots by 2000 BC. By 600 BC, we had built wagons. By 332 BC, we emerged with submersibles. And by 312 BC, we had paved our way to the building of roads. In around 800 BC, we began to pave the streets with tar. In the 15th century, we invented advanced sailing ships to cross oceans for trading and exploration. By the 16th century, horse-powered rails of wood and stone came into use. Eventually, by 17th century, the first ever oar-propelled submarine was built. And by 1662, we had built a horse-drawn bus, and by 1672, we had built a steam-powered car. During the 18th century, we had built a foot and hand-powered carriage in 1740 and a steam-driven artillery tractor in 1769. In 1776, we propelled our first submarines with screws and flew our first hot air and hydrogen balloons in 1783. In 1784, we had our first steam carriage. In 1804, the world saw its first steam-powered railways. Did you know that the first steam engine was made by James Watt and brought a revolution in transportation? In 1807, hydrogen-powered internal combustion engines in boats and road vehicles were invented. By 1816, bicycles were also invented. In 1821, we used steam-powered monorails. In 1838, we had our first transatlantic steamship. In 1852, the invention of elevators was a major breakthrough in history. In 1853, the invention of aircraft gliders was made. This was followed by, in 1903, the Wright brothers' first successful airplane. And this was followed by the modern technology engines like cars and buses nowadays. So, thank you for watching and we hope you learn a lot. Bye!